Welcome to our 5th episode, Paparazzi Fragen. This is Roman, and thank you for having us. We had a great action camera workshop today, and we learned how to wakeboard.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm gonna ask you in 1 minute a lot of questions, and you have to ask me really fast.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Where are you from?
From Russia.
Cool. What's your job?
My job is manage wake park.
How long have you been wakeboarding?
9 years.
Was this always your dream job?
Yeah, definitely. Last 10 years, I think.
Roman, what is the capital of Italy?
Rome.
How many hours per day do you spend wakeboarding?
Not more than 1 hour, I think.
Can you speak German?
Yes.
What can you
but
speak?
not too much.
Hello?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's good. That's really good. Do you have a tip for people who want to try wakeboarding?
Yes, you should try it. Come to our wake park and try it. Don't think too much, just come and try it.
Favorite color?
Favorite color? I think red. Perhaps, yeah.
If you were fruit, what would it be?
Orange.
Orange.
Not durian,
not
definitely.
That's important.
Yeah.
Do you like Coke or water?
Water.
Water. Okay, that's our interview. Thank you for having us today.
You're
It was
welcome.
really fun.
Hope you like it.
Follow him on Instagram. And
Hopefully this video will be there.
yeah,
Check it out.
check it out. And tschüss.
Bye bye.